Hello, welcome back to part 43 of this video tutorial how to build a Pacman game in XNA. Please don't forget to buy the content. Send €2.95 to PayPal account XNAPacman 2013 at hotmail.com. We send the content in 24 hours to your email address. In this tutorial we're going to implement the dot collision. We're going to do that in the Pacman class, so go to the Pacman class. And the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to define a public int. So go to the public section. And we're going to say here public int dots counter. Count how many dots are needed. Right. And now we're going to build the dot collision function. So we're going to say here a private void check dot collision, and we're going to pass in a point. And the first thing we're going to do here is get the dot point on Pacman's location. So we can say here that if the items dot list dot contains key, and we're going to pass in the point. And then we need to know if it's alive. So if items dot list, and now we're going to use the point as key, is alive. So if he is alive, then we're going to deactivate the dot. So items dot list and the point as key is alive is false. Right? Now we're going to play the walking sound. So walking sound instance play. Right? We're going to count the dot, and 244 is end of level. So we have a total of 244 dots on the screen. And here we're going to say that's the dots counter plus plus. Right? Now we're going to handle the player score. So we can say here switch items dot list. We're going to pass in the point for the key dot size. Right? And if the size is 0, then it's a small dot. And then we're going to add 10 points to the player score. So we're going to say items.playerDB, and we're going to use the game1.currentPlayer as the key, dot score plus equals 10. And we set the break statement. And now we can do the same for the big dot. That's case 1. Add 50 points to the player score. So we're going to copy this, and we change here the 10 to 50. Alright. And now we have to build the check collision function. Check for collision with the dots. The map position of Pacman. Right. Check dot collision. All right. And now we have built this check collision function. We're going to rebuild the key up, down, left and right. So go to the update method. And in the key up method, on the place where we have set the play walking sound instance, and remember it was temporary, we're going to change this, and we're going to say here check for dot collision, and we're going to say here check dot collision, and we're going to pass in the map location. Right. And now we can do the same for the key down. So we can copy this. And in the key down, we're going to change the walking sound instance for the check dot collision. Right? And the same for the key left. And the key right. Alright. Now we have this done. We can now run the game to see how it looks. And as you can see, we can now eat the dots. The scorer on the screen is working at the top of the screen. And we can eat the big dots, but when we eat the big dots, there are a lot of things going on, and that's what we're gonna do in the next tutorial when we start the energizer mode. That's when Pacman eat a big dot, right? So I hope you enjoy and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.